असिस्टंट इंजिनियर आमचो WRD ताकाय वेलकम करचे बुके दिवन. तशेंच मागता WRDचो जेई पण हा झाला जेई हा जाते बुडयेचो ताकाय बुके दिवन तेजे वेलकम करचे. तशेंच आमचे शिवावाड्याचे पंच मेंबर फ्रांसीस ताकाय बुके दिवचो आनी वेलकम करचे. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. आणि तसोच WRDचो जेई ताकाय बुके दिवन तेजे वेलकम करचे. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच दिनेश कृष्ण. तशें आतां हांव मागता सुदेश पर्वलेकर WRDचो की ताकाय बुके दिवन तेजे वेलकम करचे. तशेंच मागता हांव सुरज नायका कडेन ताणें दिनेश शिवेपृश्कर आमचो पंच मेंबर ह्या एरियेचो ताकाय बुके दिवन तेजे वेलकम करचे. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. आतां आमी ह्या बोर्डाचें ओपनिंग करता. हांव मागता शॉन मार्टीन आनी एंटनी डिसोजा आनी WRDचे सगळ्यांनी वचून आनी प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ कोmunidad
रावलेले तर फुडें कितें वयता सर
तुम्ही
हांगा पळयात हांगा पळयात सगळ्यांनी
थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. तशेंच मागता आमचो सरपंच ऑफ कलंगूट शॉन मार्टीन हेणी वेलकम स्पीच दिवची.
सर है
Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Respected WRD official, selfie member, Datta Prasad Dabolkar, Comunidad attorney, Anthony, Comunidad president, Kalagur Comunidad president, Mr. Pires, my panchayat members, and all my dear friends. As here, foundation stone, laying a foundation stone at this site, a traditional water harvesting site, was a long pending demand. This entire Nalla first time clean pasun karung this panchayat amchi Kalagur panchayat first time we have cleaned this entire place with the help of WRD or department amche जायते support केल्ले ha. And most importantly amcho comunidad ho जागो जावन आसा Kalagur comunidadacho. He's been very supportive, the attorney and the president, all the nallas, all water bodies amka NOC diवपाक तेको सदांच आहा. And panchayat is working towards whatever NOCs ताणें दिल्ले ha. All these works are with the WRD and they too are with the estimates prepare करून they are helping us complete these long pending demands. Heche फोंडयेचे importance I would like to tell the people. This water harvesting site is right in the heart of Kalangut. Water from Naikawado, Umtawado, Porbado, Khobrado, सगळे जे उदीक येता चॅनलार जाता आनी हिंगा येता. And from here it flows down this thing and gets connected to the Baga Creek. So now the plan from WRD is to help develop this area to trap the water here so that the ground, amcho ground water je ha, it gets recharges. So naturally water comes and stays here. So WRD will help us sluice gate ba galun e udik trap karun. This will increase the groundwater level of our wells and it will help them down in the future. And today we are laying the foundation stone and immediately work will start and we hope that work will complete within the next 4 to 5 months. The people of Khobrado will have another place, another beautiful place to come here and spend time here. This development is one thing, but Ami beautify kotta is a step further. When people can come here in the evenings, there will be benches, there will be a nice walking area, bus park, nice, relaxing, calm and comfortable area is what we are trying to give to the people. So we hope that all the people here will benefit and through this beautiful project that the WRD is doing. From Panchayat side, we will be there full day and night to see that the work goes on track and on schedule. Our Zilla Panchayat member also will help us further develop the area through Zilla funds if need be. He has promised us that, and we are also grateful to our minister and MLA. He is not here because he was busy with some meeting, but his help is crucial. कितें डेव्हलपमेंट करूंक जाय, कितें बरें काम करूंक जाय. Funds are important, and with him we have got funds, the support of him. The WRD Minister, Mr. Philip Neri, has also, we met him last amche inauguration for the water treatment plant at Pilen. We met him there, and his full support is there from the ministry and from the government. So we hope in the days to come, the long pending demands of this village will be fulfilled, and soon I guess we'll be going for elections. So much come because of code of conduct will get held up. But come, once the code is lifted, the panchayat will carry on the wishes, whatever we have promised to the people. We will see that is delivered before our term, the panchayat term ends. That's in June. Thank you.
Thank you.
John, what is the cost? The engineers will.
थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. आमचो सरपंच कळंगूटचो शॉन मार्टीन डायनॅमिक तो खूब तेजे हेतून खूब कामां जाल्ली आहा कोंगोटची. आमी देव बरें करूं म्हणटा तेका. तशेंच मागता हांव प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ कोमनिदा तेणीन एक दोन उतरां सांगची.
Yeah, respected dignitaries for today's function. आणि आमचे सगळे गांवचे जमिल्ल्या लोकांनी सांगचे म्हणल्यार under the leadership of Sean Martin, the dynamic leader, along with the coordination of Zilla Dattapras Dabolkar and our dynamic MLA, who has been the backbone of this project. This is one of the best projects which will be coming up within 180 days. And there will be a jogging track right around with the water harvesting in between. If this type of project comes, then I think the water level of the other wells in the surrounding area can get recharged, and the shortage of water can be reduced at a much greater extent. The efforts put in by the Zilla member and the Sarpanch and the team, the ward member, especially I have seen Dinesh coming to our Komlidat office every now and then and worrying us, following with the NOCs of this. This is one of the biggest project which NOC has been given by the Komlidat to them, and I really appreciate what they are doing regarding this water harvesting. Yeah, some of the people knew about water harvesting, but आमकां चड जाणांक अशी गरज ना. आमी फकत कंप्लेनां करतात कित्याक पंचायतीचेर PWDचेर उदक ना, हें ना तें ना म्हणून सांगतात, पूण सोल्युशन कोण दिना. व्हडलें सोल्युशन मेळप, वॉटर हार्वेस्टिंग जावप म्हणजे उदकाचो खूब 60 to 70% प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व जाता. आतां जेन्ना PDA केली तेन्ना खूब एलिगेशनां केली पंचायतीचेर, जिल्लाचेर, सरपंचाचेर, MLAचेर केली. तुमी तर पयशात, तुमी कोण जाणा आसलेले ते पळयात वचून PDAचेर. 60,000 area was reserved for water harvesting in Kalangut, which means एक वर्स भितर कांयच पावस पडना न्हू, तें उदक आमकां आमच्या गांवांक पुरो जातलें. व्हडले प्रोजेक्ट हांव मागता पंचायती सरपंचा लागीं तशेंच जिल्ला लागीं व्हडले प्रोजेक्ट आनी खूब येवपाक जाता, कित्याक सुवात आमकां आहा कालांगूट. And I thank the panchayat for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you. Anthony D'Souza, attorney of Komnida. आता हांव मागता असिस्टंट इंजिनियर राजीव कदम हेणीन दोन उतरां सांगची.
Good evening, everybody. Respected Jilla Parishad member Dattaprasad Dabolkar, Sarpanch, Swan, other dignitaries present here, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of WRD, I welcome all of you for this foundation laying ceremony of this development to the existing water body site at Kubrawado in VP Kalangut. The total cost of this project is 2.7 crore, and we will be completing this within 180 days. So, main scope of the work is the Nala will be constructed with laterite boulder masonry, provision of illumination with decorative ornamental lights, poles, benches, pavers. The Nala is constructed and beautified for tourists as well as villagers can spare their some precious time near this Nala. So, we will be starting the work soon after these 2-3 days. So, I request all of you to cooperate with us and we will be completing that project. Thank you.
Thank you sir for giving information about this project. आता हांव मागता आमचो झेडपी दत्तप्रसाद दाबोलकर हेणी 2 उतरां उलोवची.
सर उपस्थित असलेल्या सगळ्या मान्यवर गांवच्या वाड्या वयल्या नागरीक तुमकां सगळ्यांक म्हजो नमस्कार. WRD ऑफिशियला बरोबर आयला आमचें सेकंड इनॉग्रेशन जाला. सकाळी आमी एक कांदोलीम इनॉग्रेशन केल्लें आसा. कन्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ बन फ्रॉम नेरूल ब्रिज टील काकुलो हाऊस. अँड दे हॅव टोल्ड अस की जे टायडल वॉटर येताले थ्रू नेरूल रिवर आनी जे हितून कांदोलीम गांवांत येवन तेंचे बांयो बीन पिड्यार जाताले तेजेर तो बंद इफेक्टीव जातलो आनी इट वील नेगेट द टायडल इफेक्ट. हितून आमचे खंय हितून एज पर देम दॅट बंद वील हेल्प टू सेव नेचर. नेचराचे पळय जे कलॅमिटीज आसता तितून डॅमेज जातले पळय कॉमन मॅनाक तितून ताका खंय बऱ्याक पडटलें. This work and this file has been moved by Kandolim Panchayat and Kalangut Panchayat has been very effective and त्यांचा follow up on regular basis regarding this work. WRD आमकां खूब सपोर्ट केल्लो आसा. खूब कामां आमची बांद बांदून आमची खूब कामां आमकां तेंच्यांनी आमकां सपोर्ट केल्लो आसा. Even from Michael Lobo's office, Ashley, Sonia, त्यांचो फॉलोअप कंटिन्युअसली तेंचे कडेन आसता. एंड फॉर द लास्ट 5 years आमी कलंगुटान खूब डेव्हलपमेंट जाता तें पळयता. बी इट स्पोर्टिंग एरिनाचे डेव्हलपमेंट, बांद म्हणना तुमी, फुटपाथ, हायवे, फुटपाथ आमचे चड करून. देन अगेन कलंगूट आमची मेन एंट्रन्स आहा तेजे आमी ब्युटिफिकेशन आनी एक्सपान्शन करता. Yesterday we inaugurated a children's park for the resident of Kalangut. Again tomorrow we have another function in few days time, not tomorrow. आमी आमचे चिल्ड्रन आमचे पार्क जे आमी गार्डन केला Kalanguta first garden we have already developed and it will be inaugurated very soon. तशेंच हांगासर एक देवूळ आसा आमचे that I have personally undertaken for repainting. मागीर खोबरावडा आमचे एक आनी शांतादुर्गाचे हॉल आसा तेका आमी रेनोवेशन करून we will make it ready for बजट वेडिंग. जे लोक आमच्या गांवांत जे गरीब लोक पूण आसतले जे बजटेड वेडिंग करूंक सोदतले ते आमी तेका हॉल रेडी करून आमकां ते लोकांक आमी ते यूज करपाक रेडी करून दितले. आय वूड लायक टू कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट शॉन फॉर ऑल द गुड वर्क दॅट ही हॅज डन. तुमकां मे बी जस्ट टू रिकलेक्ट वॉट ही हॅज डन इन द लास्ट 5 years. खोबरावडा वचून ते सारके बागान बसून तेणीन एक फुटपाथ नासली, टुरिस्ट रोडा वयल्यान चलताले. शॉन अलॉंग वीथ मायकल लोबो ऑफिस आनी आमचे RDA डिफरंट डिपार्टमेंट्स आमी ते टेकअप केले आनी आमी एक फुटपाथ बांदून आमी लोकांक आनी ट्युरिस्टांक चलपाक वाट केली तितून सामकी बरी एक प्रेझेंटेबल वीथ आजोलेजो स्टायल. आमचे कडेन एक वाड बिचार आमची एक अवे फ्रॉम द कोस्ट लायन एक प्रॉपर्टी आहली टुरिजमाची तितून आमी फुटसाल ग्रावंड केलो बीच फुटबॉलाक. प्लस तितून आमी पार्क करून रेडी करून दिले. येस्टरडे वॉट वी इनॉग्रेटेड दॅट वॉज ऑल्सो अनयूज्ड लँड. आमी 4 वर्सां पयलीं एक स्वप्न पळयलें तितून एक म्हटल्यार फुटसाल ग्रावंड 1/2 फुटसाल ग्रावंड आमी केला तेजेर प्लस चिल्ड्रन्स पार्क. the kind of response we got yesterday was overwhelming and it gives us immense pleasure that we have been able to serve the society in this way and we will continue to serve the society. आमकां तुमचो सपोर्ट जाय पडटलो. एकल्या मनशां सपोर्ट जाय पडटलो असली बरी कामां करून हाडपाक की तुमकां दिसतली की हे लोक जिखून येयला आनी ह्या लोकांनी आमकां असल्यो फॅसिलिटी प्रोवायड केल्यो म्हणून. We would like to thank everybody, all of you all who has given us this opportunity. Because of you all we are over here and because of you all we will be doing all the good things that you all require. Again, thank you to WRD for promoting all the good projects. We will be back with another file to you very shortly. Please help us in doing good work for the society. Thank you very much.
Thank you all dignitaries that you are giving us nice information about this project. So हांव मागता आमच्या सुदेशाक फुलांचो हे दिवन आमचे डेप्युटी सरपंचाक वेलकम करचें. लास्ट ऑफ ऑल हांव मागता आमचो पंच मेंबर दिनेश शिवेतुस्कर हेका वोट ऑफ थँक्स दिवपाक. अशें आमचे हे जालें. आतां मागता सगळ्यां कडेन नाल फोडून तेजे इनॉग्रेट करचें.
आता
म्हाका कोमनीदाद एटॉर्नी तेणी पयलो नाम फोडचो.